Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm doing another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Jess and we're driving right now to our friend's house from New Jersey. If you are new here, we're gonna do hibachi tonight. I'm really excited because I haven't had hibachi in a long time and I'm really craving it. But yeah, it's been really chill. I started this video off with a little montage of me making like a healthy lunch. I had salmon and I love just making salmon with fresh lemon juice, soy sauce, pepper, and I just mixed it with rice, guac, avocado, and broccoli. And yeah, we just hung out by the pool. I painted my nails. I'll insert a little reel of how I made my nails here. But yeah, I thought they were fun for summer and tried something different. But yeah, I just want to update the vlog and kick it off here for the weekend. Say hi to the vlog.
Double vlog.
Got the dogs.
He's your Momo.
Hello.
He's a good boy.
Oh.
I would seriously make this every day if I had this. Every day.
Water. Alright.
It's the next day now, Saturday. We got home really late last night, so definitely didn't get enough sleep, but it's all good. We're gonna go play tennis now with my sister and her boyfriend and just have a little tennis match, so that'll be a good exercise. We're gonna head out now to do that. That'll be fun, and it's supposed to be really hot today, so I don't really know exactly what we have planned for today, but it'll be fun. You ready for tennis?
I'm ready.
So I'm just going to do a little jeans try on. I have 3 pairs of jeans from Abercrombie here. I'm not going to keep all 3 of them, but I got like different styles. I have the 90s relaxed jean high rise. I bought these a size bigger because they didn't have my size left on the site. and they're not the curve love style, so I thought maybe it would work. So we'll see. I got the ankle straight ultra high rise. This is my favorite style. I have a few pairs of this that I bought on Poshmark, and I have these in a 25 curve love. The curve love is great if you have a wider hip, smaller waist. And the 90s straight ultra high rise, I have these in a 26 curve love. I'm just gonna try these on and see which ones I like. So these are the 90s relaxed jean. I have these in a 27 or a 4 short, which is one size bigger than my normal size. And they fit me really good on the leg and the butt and the hip. They're just a little bit big on my waist, but it's really pretty trivial, so I would probably just put a little dart in it and it would be perfect. But they're very comfortable. They have stretch and flexibility. I feel like I can move around in them. And I really like the loose, baggy fit. So these are super cute. Definitely like them, and I would wear these a lot for the fall. These are the 90s straight ultra high rise, and I definitely don't love these. They feel kind of like a skinny jean, and they're just a little bit tapered on the bottom. So they're tight on the leg, tighter on the butt, just tight all in general compared to the relaxed fit. But yeah, I would also say they run a little bit smaller. They're not as stretchy. I have these in a 26 curve love. These fit me really good on the waist. I have a 26-inch waist, so true to size with the waist. I have a 39-inch hip, and these are technically made for like a 38-inch hip, but they still feel like fine for a fit-wise. I feel like the style of them just isn't for me, and it's not my personal favorite, but I thought I would still give them a try and just see if I liked them. But not going to be keeping these. Yeah, these are the 90s straight ultra high rise. So these are the ankle straight ultra high rise. I have these in a 25 curve love, and these are my favorite fit. I size down one size. I have a 26-inch waist, so I get the 25 curve love, and they have a good amount of stretch to them, so I feel like they fit really nice. And I like how on these they are the ankle length, so they're more cropped, and the inseam is shorter, and I feel like from the side it looks really cute. It has a little flare, a little tapered on the end. The only thing about these I was torn with is the wash. They're considered light wash on the Abercrombie website, but they definitely look a little more like an acid wash. So I'm not sure about these. Like, I love the fit and the style. I actually have these in a few other colors that I bought on Poshmark in like a medium wash. And yeah, I love this style, the ankle straight ultra high rise. I might end up not keeping these just because of the wash of them, but I mean, they are really cute. It has a little distressing right on the back pocket there. And here's the last pair I'm going to show. These are the same style as the last ones I was just wearing, but they are just like a different kind of like wash. They're like a two-toned light to medium wash, and I think they look really cute. They're the ankle straight ultra high rise, but these I actually have in my true size, which is a 26 curve love. So I really like these. I actually bought them on Poshmark used. I got them for a really good deal. I think I got them for around $20 or $25. So I really like these, and yeah, I would definitely recommend checking out Poshmark because a lot of people sell Abercrombie jeans there, and you could definitely save some money and buy something that's used. I'm gonna keep the 190s relaxed jean, and then I'm gonna return the other two. So I decided to just put in 2 darts to the 90s relaxed jean that I'm gonna keep, and these were a size 27, so they're a size bigger than what I would normally get, and I feel like they're perfect now because they already fit me pretty good on the butt and the leg. I just needed them taken out the waist, so happy that I did that. I just got ready. I'm wearing the new jeans. I just put this little braid in my hair. Thought it would be cute. Switch it up a little bit. We're gonna go to Asbury Park because that's our favorite little town in New Jersey to go to at the beach, and we're gonna get dinner. We're gonna go to the same place that we went to last time, I think, Loteria, which is like a Mexican restaurant, tacos, burritos, nachos, queso. So we're gonna go back there because we really liked it and just kind of walk around. There might be a concert there for Jason Mraz, so if we're there at that time, we'll probably hear it from where we are because it's an outdoor venue. And yeah, we're gonna head out now.